What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We're over here at Zach's house and we're picking up this old race car. This race car is actually going to be for sale. So if you know anybody wanting one, hit me up at turbotbirds@aol.com. Yes, I've still got AOL. Yes, it still goes when it's dialing up. But this is the rear end that I've got. That's going in my new car. This is the car I was going to build. I did a video on this one. So this is the car I got from Zach a couple months ago. Zach's out here. What's up, Zach? So we're out here. This one is actually going to be for sale. And I got the other car that's already got a cage on it. This is like an 89, 90. I don't know exactly what year it is. But it's a ladder bar car. And of course, it's back half. It's got the tub's already in it. Ladder bar set up. It was on this rear end. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the ladder bars off of the rear end. So they're going to be for sale with this car. This one, I probably should have just done this one. It's got the nice little pearl paint on it. God, I didn't see all that before, Zach.
Yeah.
And the body is nice and square. Okay, I could cut this out and put it in my new car. I don't know if I want to do that or not.
A lot of work.
It is a lot of work.
The other car's pretty far along.
Yeah, so I don't know. We'll see.
So I don't know.
Well, the more I look at both of them, maybe I need to just set both of them up. Brian's got the other one set up in the shop. And we're getting ready to start cutting on it. You know, I could probably cut that cage out of that one and put it in this one. God, that's a lot of work.
A lot of work.
So we're out here. Zach said, if you're not the neighbor that's got all the junk in the yard, you are the neighbor.
That's me.
So I rolled up. I just got over here. Look, there's a rear end, a garage sale, rear end over sitting outside. The car is sitting out here. We're going to throw it in the trailer, though, and get it back to the house. So we're just picking up parts and pieces. I got another set of wheels. It's got a single bead lock on it. Oh, they're doubles? Oh, I thought they were single bead locks. Ooh, that's even better.
Give you a decent deal,
You got a good deal. And you're getting those crappy old welds from me. Zach's like, wait a minute, that is not fair. That is not what I signed up for. Oh yeah, I need to bring those over here. I'm gonna bring those welds. After this weekend, you can get those welds because they got the Hoosiers on them. I'm gonna be using them at Dig or Die. For sale, turbotbirds@aol.com, $800 as it sits right here with the back half. And if I can get the ladder bars off without destroying them, they can go with it as well. So,
the ladder bars will. It's just the brackets.
oh yeah, that's right.
The ladder bars will be fine. It's just getting the brackets off the rear end.
Yeah, that's right. The brackets are going to be the problem. I'm gonna try to cut them all off. You're right though. The ladder bars will be okay. They can probably buy the brackets separately, and then go from there. Let me show you what Zach's got going on with his. All right, so here is Zach's car. Zach has been over here. He's been working on this thing, and he's making good progress. He just done some Marty Merlat. If y'all hadn't seen his stuff, it's phenomenal. It does not come rusty like this. It's where we've all been fat fingering it and handling it. We've been handling it. It's awesome stuff. So he is putting this stuff, the uppers and the lowers, in this car. It's going to have an 8.8 in it. Y'all make sure also, y'all seen Zach around. He's been helping out on our channel for a long time now. And now he has finally started a YouTube channel.
You finally talked me into it.
What is your YouTube channel?
YouTube is Full Spool Racing.
Full Spool Racing. And he's already started putting up some content. So y'all go comment, like, and subscribe to his channel as well. And he's doing this, and there's some good videos out there on YouTube, but he's doing it a little bit better than a lot of them, you know, cutting this stuff out. And he's already got up under here. This is a work in progress, of course. And so he has already got the uppers and the lowers completely cut out of here. And wow, it looks amazing. And so now he's gonna put the Marty Merlat stuff in it. And this one's, what's this car gonna be? What are you gonna do with this car?
I keep going back and forth. I think I'm gonna make it a street car. I don't know. I was gonna just put it straight to methanol, but I might put it on gas to begin with, to start out with, to get it running, because I am going to be leaving the country for half the year next year. So I kind of want to hear it run before I leave.
Are you going to go ahead and put a cage in it now? Or?
I am going to put the cage in. I'm going to do a video on the cage. I'm going to build the motors in my shop back here. I'm going to build the motor. I'm going to do a video on building the motor. Obviously setting up the rear end. I have everything to brace the rear end, so cutting everything off the rear end. I'm going to video all that, cutting everything off that 8.8 and welding everything on it. Pretty much everything. Any bit of work that gets done to this car, I'm going to document it and try to do tutorials, educational videos on what I'm doing, and try to help other people out.
And you built a car last year. It was a truck. What was it? C10?
I built an 86 C10. It took me a couple years to do.
All right.
Because I deployed during that one too. But I put a 6-liter and a 4L80 in it.
And got it running and then sold it.
Sold it to build a race car.
And only took a few pictures of that.
Yeah,
then he started hanging out with us, going to the track a lot. He's like, oh, I got to have me a race car.
Yeah.
C10 went bye-bye. Is that the owner's manual over there at the door? Yeah. That is crazy. This is a great starting platform. That is crazy. Yeah. Look at that. Wow. This would be a great project car. LS motor, single turbo. What turbo did you get? Is it 80 millimeter?
88.
88?
88.
So he got a good deal. Picked up a used VS Racing 88 with it's got the two-way skates and a blow-off valve. Got a smoking deal on that from somebody that bought it.
So I bought it secondhand off somebody, but it had never been on a vehicle.
Right.
Ran,
brand new. And that's what this car is. I mean, Zach's on a budget just like we are. So Zach is doing all the work himself. You know, so he's going to be over here. He's going to show y'all. I mean, it's going to be the complete deal, you know, on what he's doing to make this thing, to turn it from a grocery getter, from a 91 Mustang GT, well, not a GT, LX. To a street strip car. And you know, I may turn my car. I was thinking my car that I've got now, that I may cut my funny car cage out of mine and make mine a street strip car. I've thought about that.
Leave the cage in it and make it.
Well, yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't think I'm dealing. I don't like the funny car on the street. Yeah. It's too many bars with your helmet. You know, when you don't have a helmet on. I mean, you know, it's a little sketchy. So I mean, I don't know. I still don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with that one yet. What's your plan back here?
So I put out a video the other day for people to comment their opinion on what I should do, because I thought about taking these stock tubs and cutting them out pretty neatly and just spacing them out and welding in and making it look factory back
here where the shocks are. That's going to be gone.
Yeah, it's gone.
Because the shocks are going to be inboard.
Coilovers going on it,
so that's going to be easy to do. So I mean, yeah, I don't. You know, I've never seen anybody do that. So I mean, I don't know. That would be. I mean, it seems like it would be pretty easy to do.
And if I do that with doing the mini tubs, you have to cut into the frame.
Right.
If I done it this way, I don't think I would have to cut into the frame at all.
Right. So if you did that, then that would just allow you to go up to the frame.
Yeah.
Oh, that makes sense. I ain't never thought about it. I don't know. My car still has factory tubs in it, so I have not cut mine out either. That sounds like a good plan, because I mean, it's not like you're going to have a real short rear end in here.
No, it's going to be a stock 8.8 for a long time until I absolutely need to put a built rear end in it.
So you're just simply trying to make it so that you can get just a little more fender clearance, tuck the wheel under it just a little bit more.
Yeah, I don't want to hack up on the fenders like some other people I know.
Come on, man. You don't like the fender hack?
Hey, it looks good, but
it looks better factory.
Yeah, it looks a little better factory.
Look, this thing is unmolested. Look at it, and it got the fender edge is not rolled at all.
No, it's not rolled.
I mean, this is a street car.
A good street car. I got the full interior besides the back seat sitting in my shed back here, and it all, believe me or not, looks brand new. I'm stuck between selling these and keeping them. But
oh God, those are clean. Son, look at that. You don't see that that good of an interior.
Time capsule.
It really is.
The headliner was still perfect. The dash isn't cracked anywhere. Like, I don't know what I want to do with it.
Wow, dude, that is insane. And this is the Rocket, the motor that he's putting in it. And he just got a good deal on a. This is the motor he just got, ain't it?
Yeah, this is the one I just got.
He got a good deal on that.
I don't even let it sit out here, but
everything's already machined. The crank's ready to go. Rods, pistons.
Crank, it's all been balanced. I just got to slap it together. I've been fooling around and haven't gotten it together yet.
Well, dude, this is awesome. This is looking good. It's gonna be fun. This is gonna be a good project. It's awesome, awesome, awesome. I'll put a link in the description below, Zach's webpage. And he's gonna be out at the track with us all the time. And then when this car gets going, in hopefully about 3 months, then we'll start seeing this one on our channel as well. So Full Spool Racing, y'all, let's go try to get them to like 1,000 subs today. All right, guys. So y'all comment on this video, put subbed on it, and then that's gonna be subbing to his channel. And when we hit 1,000 subscribers on his, everybody that commented on this video gonna get an entry to win a free t-shirt. I'm gonna give away a free t-shirt. All right, guys, y'all comment, like, and subscribe to his channel.
Appreciate it.